Hey, our friends, we're going to draw a chimpanzee.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. It's going to be a lot of fun. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our monkey's mouth, and we're going to draw it right here. We're going to draw an oval shape or a circle. We're going to start in the middle, and I'm going to draw it coming around like this, and back, and connect. This is actually the whole mouth. Also the nose.
Oh, and the nose.
Yeah, it's kind of the more like a snout. Yes, there you go. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a smile. We're going to draw kind of a big smile. We can also even add little cheek lines too if you want. Yes, I like how big yours is. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle right here. And then we're going to draw another circle. And I'm going to draw the eyes kind of close to each other. Yes, and then we're going to draw a little highlight, a small circle in the top left of each eye, and then we can color in the big circle but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video if you need extra time. Now let's also add little nostrils. Then we're going to draw our chimp's face. I'm going to start right here on the side or the cheek. We're going to go up over the eye, and then right in between the eyes I'm going to come down a little, and then we'll go back up and then connect back on the other side. Then we're going to draw the top of our chimp's head. Don't call this chimp a monkey either. It's an ape. We're gonna draw the top of our chimp's head. We're going to start here on the cheek, and I'm going to go right next to the face, but I'm going to go higher up for the forehead.
It's like Donkey Kong.
Yeah. Next, we're going to draw our little chimp's ears. And they're kind of big, actually. We're going to draw a big letter C. And then we can draw a backwards letter C over here with the same size. Oh, yeah, these are big. Yes. Nice. And we can also add a little zigzag line for the top of our chimp's hair. Yes, and then we can also add little details inside of our ears. I'm going to draw it like this, so it has a little bump on the inside. Almost looks like a 3. Then we're going to draw that same shape over here. We'll come out, and then back in, and then curve around. Now let's draw our chimp's arms. And we're going to start here, and we're going to draw the letter V. I'm going to come down. We could also do a guide point down here at the bottom if that helps get to the middle. And I'm going to draw it coming down like this too. So we got a letter V. Then we're going to draw the outside of our chimp's arms. I'm going to start here for the shoulder, and then I'm going to curve around and get further away towards the bottom. And then let's do the same thing on the other side. Then right here at the bottom, we can connect with a curve for the bottom of our chimp's hands or the knuckles. And then let's draw a zigzag line for the fur or hair at the bottom or end of, at the bottom of his arms. There we go. Now we can draw his back legs or her back legs. Let's draw it bent like this. So there's the knee. And we can repeat that same shape over here too. Then let's draw the feet coming out like this. And then we're going to curve down. Let's do the same thing over here, trying to match. And then we could draw the bottom of their feet coming in on both sides. Okay, let's also add a zigzag line for the hair. Now let's draw the toes. I'm going to draw a curve that comes out and then curves down. And I'm going to draw another one right next to it. And then we can also draw the little thumb. I'm going to draw it curving like this. And then let's do the same thing over here. We'll draw 2 curves for the toes. And then that little S curve for the thumb on the foot. Hadley, do chimps have tails?
No.
No, they don't. They're apes. which don't have tails like gorillas. So we're done, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will fast forward, so remember to pause the video at the end, and you can use our drawings as inspiration to color yours. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our chimps. I especially love the little eyelashes you added, and it looks better colored in, don't you think?
Yeah, I hope our art friends will color their drawings too.
Yeah, you can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. You could also add a background or even more chimps. And we only use 2 colors. 97 is this orange kind of tan color that we use for the face, ears, and also the hands and feet. And then what color did we use for the body?
CG9.
It's almost a black color, it's so dark.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing chimps with us.
We did. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.